In this video, I'll talk about my journey to a 7-figure per year lawn care business. My first 6 years in business, I had a full-time job. Initially, my goal was to have about 20 lawn care clients to earn some extra money to put towards my retirement account. And by the end of my first year, I had 21 clients. We did about $21,000 in revenue, and I did everything myself. My second year, we got up to 43 clients. We did about $45,000 in revenue. I had a cousin that helped me mow once in a while. My third year, I got up to 83 clients. We did about 85,000 in revenue. I hired a guy to mow for me full time, so I was at work all day while he was mowing lawns for me. And I'd save up all my vacation days. I'd save up, everything I could, because if he got injured or sick, like my business could fall apart. So I did everything I could to protect that. Fourth year, we got up to 115 clients. I had the same guy do everything himself. He was mowing 115 lawns by himself. Fifth year, we got up to about 150, 160 lawns. I hired a second guy. I had two guys working together. At that point, I felt like everything but mowing was a distraction, so I just worried about mowing. But now that we had a second guy, I felt like I needed to keep him busy, so I think that's about the point we got a hedge trimmer. We started doing a little bit of extra stuff besides just mowing. Sixth year, we got up to around 185 clients. I had the same two guys do everything. I got a second truck. I think at the end of the year, that's about when I got a third employee. And then I think that's about the time I quit my job, around my 7th year. I was able to focus on the business much more. We got a sprinkler repair truck, we got a cleanup truck, we got a spray truck, I got a full-time secretary. We had probably 6 employees, and I really pushed growth. And luckily I had a fair bit coming in from the business at that time. I probably took home $85,000 a year, plus I had the money for my full-time job. So when I quit, I had a chunk of change to throw at the business to really get it going. 8th year, we had somewhere around 7 trucks. We branched into a new kind of larger city that helped the growth. I think we did somewhere around 550,000. 9th year, we had about 8 trucks. I hired a general manager, which basically took almost all the work off my plate. I just kind of kept an eye on what he was doing, make sure the business didn't fall apart, helped train him, and that year we did around 800,000 in revenue. And so right now we're going into our 10th year. We hired an estimator to take a few things off the general manager's plate and to help fuel the growth and help us blow past 1.1 million this year. But in the beginning, my intention was just to mow a few lawns on the side, and it transformed into being my full-time job. And then even beyond that, it transformed into more of an investment than just a job. If you can get a business to the point where you have leadership in place, where you're not even really involved in the company anymore, and the business just spits off cash to you and gives you a good income, that's when the business has become an investment. And once I quit my job, that's when I really saw that goal. And I thought, if I can get the right people in place and grow this thing to where I have enough money to pay a leadership team to run everything, and I get income on the side. That way I could be partially retired. I could go pursue other things that I'm interested in. But I'm happy to do what I can to help you in your business and get your business off the ground or answer any questions you have. I don't know everything, but I'm happy to share where I am and help lift you up, and look forward to helping you. Thanks.